Hello everyone, welcome back to Lucky Pinoy Slots. Let's try this Tiki fire. Denomination is from 10 cents to $1. Grand is 50. And let's see what we can do with this. Let's put in 200 in there. Alright. Let's see. Volume. Alright. So let's try 10 cents. Minimum bid is $5. Oh, too loud. Oh.
Esta es la que me paga a mí diario. Voy a
So 3 volcanoes and 6 of the coins.
Esa no me gusta a mí nada.
200 does go by really fast here. That's minimum bid. Ooh. Oh, come on, 2 more. Let's try 25 cents. Minimum bid is $12.50. Oh my. Almost. Let us try 50 cents. Minimum bid is $12.50 also. Three more. Oh. We're gonna try 200 more, but we're gonna do $12.50. Oh, that's enough for a spin. Alright, so let's spin. Nothing? Alright, so let's put 200 more. That's the last 200. Let's try with 50 cents. Oh, come on, one more. Nice. Nice. $3. The minor here is 2,500. Would it be nice? That would be nice. Mini is 500. Come on, one time. Oh my lord. So close. We're almost out of money again. One time. Oh, that's nice. We're still alive. Come on. Come on. One time. One more. Nice. There you go. Wow, we're 12.50. Alright, make it good. Minor is 2,500. Major is 5,000. Mini is 500. One mini would be good enough to break even here. Alright, let's do it. Come on, hold and spin. 6 of them. Or 2x everywhere. Come on. 2x. Nice. Now just hold and spin remaining. We need hold and spin, guys. Keep going. Keep it going. Re-trigger would be nice too. How much is that? Ooh, 300. Money back. Come on. Alright, so our money back. Not bad. Not bad at all. Too bad there's no hold and spin. 3 more. Oh, come on. 3 more or 1 more. What was that? We're gonna try to get the hold and spin. More. Nice. Alright, come on, miner. Hold and spin the miner. Come on. Re-trigger. Oh my god. That would have been so nice if it lined up. See? Come on, hold and spin. Oh boy, line them up. Oh my lord. That was it? Oh, we're up. Alright. We just need 6 of those. Alright, let's try. The points are not coming up for some reason. Oh my lord, 1 more. Let's try 25 cents. 3 more. Oh, I saw the nitty flying around. More. Come on, 3 more or 2 more. One more. Nice. Hold on. So for 25 cents a miner is 1,250. The mini is 250. Let's go hold and spin. Oh come on. 2x. Come on. 3 more. 2 more. Come on. It's not looking good. Nice. Nice, very nice. This is huge, I think. Because we have that. We have those. We have that. Oh, this one goes through that one. Oh, wow. Okay, then somebody said it's $1,000 or more, so let's see what it gives.
That's a big one. It's over $1,000.
Is it? Oh, nice.
Oh, and then you got one of these here.
Yeah.
This one here.
Oh, the lady, huh?
The lady, oh my God, paid like 5,000.
Oh, really?
The light
Oh,
one,
wow.
one, up. That's a jackpot.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow, it is a jackpot.
This machine is good.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Good.
No, I went to pay like 1,100, no? Yeah,
Oh,
one more.
3 more. Wow.
1,000.
That's not bad. 1,000.
No, it's
Yeah. All right. Thank you, man. Oh, wow. That was nice.
luck.
Thank you. That was nice. All right. So now that we are up, oh my Lord, we're almost up 1,000 here. So let's play it to 1,000. That means we're up, what, 600? And then we'll call it a session there. We haven't gotten the points yet. I just want to hold and spin. Let's go back to 50. Hold and spin it. Not bad. Ooh, not bad. 5 of a kind. How much is that? Ooh, nice. One more. Oh. Come on, just one hold and spin. Minor is 2,500. Nice. Nice. This is nice, I think. Does we have that? Oh, does it go up there? No, I don't think so. Oh. Alright. Come on, you're almost there. Give us one hold and spin before we reach 1,000 at least. Oh, come on. Really? No hold and spin? Oh, that's on the way. There's no hold and spin over there. So let's try 10 cents and 5. Maybe it's in there. 3 more. We're just gonna play it to 1,000. Tiki has been good to us today. Come on. Oh, wow. 2 more. Oh. So the coins are really not showing up. Two more. Oh, boy. Nice, that's it. That's what we want. Alright, well the miner is 500 now, I don't mind. As long as you give us the grand or the million. Ah. Okay, major. Laser. Come on, I see you. Save it. What? Alright, we got 145. That's not bad. And oh, 1,171. So let's play it till 1,100. 1,100. We should be good. Let's see if we can get the 3 volcanoes on the $5. Almost. Almost. Okay, then we have our last spin right here. I think last 2 spins. Yep, last 2 spins. Last spin. Alright guys, I think I'm good right there. We put in 400, we cash out with 1,700, 1,100. So that is about $700 win. I'm happy with that. Let's cash out. We got really lucky on this machine. Tiki was nice to us today. Alright, well thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.